Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, let's learn how to upload a video in YouTube. If you want more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Let's start our video now. In the top of the middle, click camera icon. Click on the video you want to upload. Now here, you can add title of the video. Here, you can add description about the video. So many of you know what is a description. Description is very useful to provide the information about a video. Here I added nothing, because I don't want to waste your time. I am selecting public option here, because the video is visible to people around the world. Now click upload. After you uploaded the video, people around the world can watch your video. Don't forget to like this video. If you have any doubts, then write your comments below. I will respond to your problem within 1 minute. Friends, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and your family.